Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we saw some sort of recovery on the chart of gold. As we have discussed earlier, or as we have been discussing for the last couple of days, that we have a support zone around 1640 to 1644, and market closed at the support. So as a result, the market opening was extremely important for us, and after the market opening we saw that market somehow took support and tried to show some recovery. Okay, and right now gold is standing at 1648.49. This is the current market price of gold here. As we already know it from before only, that if we look at the overall sentiment, if we look at the global sentiment, then the global sentiment is not positive. And if we look at the chart of gold also, then we know it very well that the overall trend of the market is also very much towards the downside. Okay. And as we can see right now, the price is also being rejected from above. So in this market condition, if you already have placed any buy or seller order, be on the trade, no need to do anything. But if you are looking for fresh positions, then my dear friends, overall the levels that we have discussed on Saturday are still intact. 1640 to 44 is still a support zone for the market. 1640 to 44. Okay, so during the European session or US session, if we see selling in the market, if you see market breaking the support, market breaking 1639 and market going down, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind the size of the candle should be good enough, so we get the confirmation that we also have the volume. So size of the candle means, so whenever you'll see a breakout, whenever you'll see market breaking 1639, okay, if the size of the candle is like this, do not trust it, because it can be a false breakout as well. But if you see the market is going down with a big red candle, then you can take a sell position. So that is our strategy number one as of now. And secondly, if market goes up, from here, then you can see we have also resistance zone around 1660 to 1661. Already we have discussed why we are considering this a resistance, because of previous support which will now act as resistance, and secondly Fibonacci. So there is a good chance that in this market condition, when we are not witnessing heavy volatility, if market goes up also, market may reverse. But keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market. So as a result, once market will hit the level, observe the market first. Okay, observe the market first. If you see price is struggling around 1660, 1661, if you see market forming candles like this, then only take a sell position. But in case during the European session or US session, if you see market going up with a big green candle, obviously you will you'll have to quit the idea of taking a sell position. See, no trader is 100% accurate. So as a result, we need to trade when the opportunity is right. After all, we are not gamblers, we are traders. So these two are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. And I would like to show you the chart of government bonds, because we have discussed on Saturday. So after the market opening, okay, we could see some recovery, okay, not recovery, okay, some correction, okay, but overall the bond chart is still very much bullish. So during the day there is a high chance the bond chart will be showing some up move again. If it shows some up move and starts going up again, don't be surprised. Simply get ready to take a sell position on the chart of gold. If you look at the chart of DXY also, we can see DXY also showed some two red candles, and right now trying to go up again. So overall right now the market is slow, typical Monday market, because in few Mondays we see crazy volatility, but today the market is acting as a normal Monday market. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market performs during the European session and US session. But as of now, these levels are still very much intact. So please trade carefully, and as I always say, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, bye bye, take care.